And we are live. Hi guys, this is Preeti and we are back in the live session by Sonshi Raya. Some new pieces we have done this time in Lavenders Blues. First of all, what I am wearing is a non-tissue piece. I've done a beautiful embroidery on the border. For this saree we are taking orders, we don't have this in stock. In dummy you will see a broad border in lavender, a double tissue, mid part is a chamawar, you can view on video call. And this saree is a double tissue again in pink and beige, and we have done a beautiful scallop border. Before I start showcasing the saree, I would like to address one very important thing, is that guys, we respect that you have taken out time sometimes for the video call, and we also have made a policy that any exclusive piece we prefer not to show on lives or unless we are closing the design. So a recent thing, this is actually happening since long, but a recent episode, despite being saying no and a clear communication from our end that please don't take screenshots of the of the video calls, we have observed that people are still taking the screenshot of exclusive pieces, and we get the notification and those pictures circulate here and there, and that's very painful to see. We all are art lovers and respect the art and craft, so we put a lot of efforts in designing of this stuff, in the making and everything. Sometimes if you have time, you can come to Kota, I'll take you to the whole process. It's a very detailed process. It's very painful to see how some people ruin the whole experience. So recently a red saree, a non-tissue piece which was very unique, the Chinese design. I've seen a screenshot of the same clicked by a customer only on video call and circulated everywhere. Guys, I hope you understand the the pain that how much time it do require and all the things, and you must be working somewhere, and it is very disheartening to see such kind of behavior from an educated class. So let's start the first saree. This is a lavender color, is this one. You can see the top border in a Banarsi style. The body of the saree is having all florals. This is the regular pallu. You can pair up this saree with the orange blouse, or in the lavender, or in pinks. You can get the border embroidery done also. So this is a single tissue piece, the first piece for the day. The second saree is something very interesting in a Dhakai Jamdani design. We've been restocking this one. The border is very, very interesting. We have done a buff katan border with silver zari floral detailing. The body of the saree has the floral detail in a geometric pattern like a cascaded design. This is your pallu. And this saree comes with a peach blouse. Recently I developed a love for Chantilly, so you can pair it with the Chantilly blouses also. Next piece is again a single tissue in pink color, comes with a yellow blouse. The most interesting thing about this saree and the design is the monkey. You can see this beautiful monkey, how they are climbing the whole trees, and these are the beautiful florals you can see, and a little meenakari from the red color. The saree again is good to go if you want to do a beautiful embroidery in Swarovski crystals or French notes or something different. Next one, again a single tissue, minimal yet very, very interesting piece is this one. A shade of pink and peach. You can see the detailing in the body of the saree, and just a usage of only gold and silver saree. We haven't touched any other color in this particular saree. You can see you can pair up with something in white, you can pair up something in gold, or else you can pair up with the running color. Maybe a satin silk blouse also will do justice. And the way you can layer up with the pearls, something like that. So Maharani vibes I think in this particular one, old age charm. Next is a Dhakai Jamdani, again in pink color. I paired up this saree with a pearl work blouse, this much sleeves, and this looks so stunning. I can share the pictures if you want. We have done this again pearls and with a pearl work blouse till here. This saree is a stunner. Again geometrics you can see, and usage of same color in different shades. This is the pallu and comes with a running blouse. Okay, next saree I want to talk. We have posted last night so many queries. Recently touched I think 12,000 likes on a particular story. So this is the double tissue in pink color, peach and pink in between. You can see the usage of the colors in this one. Floral detailing, can be paired up white, can be paired up with pinks, with Miyuki beads blouse, anything, any number of options. Kota saris look so glamorous and good replacement for your patterns, I feel. So this is the double tissue, a new one, and a beautiful blouse we have given with this sari is this one. You can actually go for as it is. Next piece I have restocked is this one. You can see. Actually, it's look good with blue also because there's a blue highlight in the body of the sari, so this color can be taken if you want a little contrast, and we can do a beautiful border from this color and can be worn with this color blouse also if you want to try a contrast. The sari looks like this. It's an olive green color, floral detailing again, and this is your pallu. Now see the detail here. On double tissue gold we have used silver zari motifs, and see this particular flower. I think this is very interesting. So this piece is something which I really like, the pairing of this blue dark and light and the red one. And the last piece of this slide is this one. Again, so many colors but very interesting piece. Someone who wants to try contrasts and orange color with purple combination. We have done orange and pinks, we have done orange and olive greens, and this time purple and orange. See this one, a Chinese motif, and see the body of the sari with bird and floral detailing. See, I'll show you the pallu also. This is the pallu of the sari, can be worn like this. So someone who wants to try a very bold combination, this is for them. That's all about this session. What I am wearing, will be taking orders only. The sari is not available. However, you can pick something else in a non-tissue and we can get the embroidery done for you. Thank you so much for watching this session. I'm sure you must be busy in the weddings because it's season. I'll be saving this live on the page. You can watch later on also. Thank you so much.